Well, there we have it. Prime Minister Boris Johnson's Conservative Party have won at least 326 seats in the UK election, enough to guarantee a majority. But what does Assembly member Bethan think about all this?
Well, I think we did well to retain our 4 seats as Plaid Cymru, and Ben Lake increased his majority in Ceredigion, so we have to take that as a clear positive, although it would have been nice to have won a few more seats. Westminster elections are notoriously difficult for Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, because we are seen in a much more positive light when it comes to Assembly elections, where we always are more in contention with being able to run the actual government and have a First Minister when that isn't possible on a UK level. For me, I have to say, on a negative note, I am disappointed that it is a Conservative government. It's not something that fits with my politics, so it will be us trying to hold the UK government to account now on whatever Brexit deal they come up with, and representing the people of Wales as much as we can be, but also then using the strength of those 4 MPs that we have and that we've retained to make that voice loud and clear on a UK level. I think it's been pretty toxic, if I'm honest, especially on the media and social media. People have been at each other's throats, and I don't often think that that works very well with electors. I think we have to respect how people vote, but also recognise that we've got a lot of work to do as politicians. Again, it's all to play for in 2021 for us, which is where really it matters for us.